1. Hello everybody, I've been asked by a few people to demonstrate some loop knots and how to tie a loop. This is the overhand loop knot. So we've got our piece of trusty boot lace representing our main line. So the end of the main line is just there. So we're going to bring those together and make a nice loop like that. Okay. So what I do then is pinch and then make them so they're next to each other or parallel, and then going to make another loop like that first of all. Okay, so you've got the end of your first loop here and your new doubled up loop there. Now this has got to go underneath here, got to go underneath and then up through here. So I'll try and do it so you can see. So it's got to go underneath, then up through, and there it is. Once you've pulled that tight and lubricated it, there's your overhand loop knot. We use one of these little hook ties, which is the one that I favour. This is a Samo loop tire. It's got two ends, obviously a larger and a smaller one. For this one we can use the smaller one. The overhand loop knot is a knot that I will only really use for things like bait bands, quick stops, or the end of hair rigs where the bait is attached. So it's not a stress knot, it's not got to take any strain like a figure of 8 has to. So it's a really straightforward knot that's easy to tie, and we use it like this. So you've got a long prong and a short one, which I'm going to represent with my finger and thumb. So there's your long prong and there's your short one. So the long one goes through the end of the loop like that. The short one goes through the middle of the knot. We can then pull the knot tight against the short one, lubricate it with some saliva, and then slip it off and then tighten the whole knot against the long one like that. Okay, that ensures that that loop will be exactly the same length because it's restricted by the distance between those two prongs. Okay, so great little knot to use, really simple, easy to tie for non-stress situations like bait bands, quick stops and hair rigs. The overhand loop knot.